And got him. Now all we have to do is wait. Oh, already? Yes.
Special delivery for Kim.
I'll take that. It's finally here. Look, it only took 3 days. That's why I love the sneaker app. Only 3 days to get my sneakers. I remember back in the day when you had to spend so much time waiting in line and doing all those things. The internet has made this stuff so easy. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you click that subscribe button. If you guys do not like sneaker videos, then you guys can go ahead and leave and return back tomorrow. But to everybody else, let's get it popping. I'm like ecstatic to open these things. I haven't really bought many Jordans here recently, so I'm excited about this pair just because of the background in it and everything about it. It's just, he got game. Think about it. Jesus Shuttlesworth.
This is the best thing to happen to the game since the tennis shoe was invented. Jesus Shuttlesworth.
He's the next phenom. He's awesome.
Y'all too young for that. Y'all don't know nothing about it. Where'd you come from?
Outside, where you left me.
Here we go. Go ahead and get that. Ooh. What we got? What we got here? So I like the color of the box. It doesn't appear to be like an OG box or anything like that. But you know what? I like it. Who really cares that much about their boxes? I know a lot of you guys do. So that's on y'all. But here we go with these. Woo! That boy nice. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I like it. I've been wanting a pair of 13s since I sold my cherry 13s. Oh my goodness. Just take a look at that real quick. These sneakers, honestly, they no joke. I mean, the quality on these things seems so nice right now. And for all y'all sneakerheads out there, I don't really know what type of material is what type of material. I just know when it looks nice, it looks nice. These boys is cold, man. These may be the crispiest shoes that I bought all year. And it kills me to see that they're sitting. They're sitting at the store right now. Woo! When you peel back that sticker, that plastic right here, woo, that green. Look at that green. That boy nice. Look at that, oh. It changed colors. Hope y'all can see this. My camera's kind of whack, yo. Oh man. I might have to throw these on and do some dunking. I mean, for real, for real. These boys is nice. Now, my favorite shoe would have to be the number 11s and then the number 9s. And then it would have to be the number 13s. I mean, they don't get much more stylish than this one. And these things are very, very light. These boys is just nice. I can't say too much more about these besides they just are, look at that. Like the green, that color like neon green behind it. Oh my goodness, that is sick. And green's my favorite color, y'all. So I'm in love with these. I think these are a nice pickup. Really, really nice pickup. Everything looks like it's done well. The thing that I'm not gonna like is the white on the inside of the shoe, because as soon as you start to wear it, and don't be talking about my ankle, talking about I got some nasty ankles, y'all. Because when you wear these and you actually break these boys in, there's gonna be a little dirt inside there. That's why I don't like the white on the inside of shoes, just because they kind of look bad early. The carbon fiber on here, I think is just whatever. The best carbon fiber I would have to say is on the number 11s, which is my favorite shoe. This would have to be, honestly, yeah, number 3. Number 9s, I fell in love with number 9s, y'all. So, I wonder what you guys' favorite shoes are. And I also wonder, did you guys pick these up? Were they a cop or were they a not? Why are they still sitting? Somebody let me know. But, I just wanted to show you guys the unopening of this Jordan 13 He Got Game. Woo! I feel like getting on the court and dunking on somebody. Maybe you. But I probably won't be doing this often. The next shoe that I'll probably pick up for me, because I don't buy them all anymore. I'm kind of getting better about it as I'm getting older. I'm going to go ahead and get the Concords just because I haven't had the 11 Concords ever. So I'm really excited to grab that this year. I know they're going to be around for pickup. Might grab 2 pairs. But until next time, I'm out of here.
That